Wayne Ifill learned the joys of cooking and the importance of flavor at a young age in his mother's kitchen. Now, he's enriching local cuisine with his brand, Auntie Phyllis, named after his mother who passed. Luke caught up with Wayne at AgroFest 2024, held at Queen's Park, where he broke down the brand's philosophy. Your food must be flavorful.
Okay, so I represent Auntie Phyllis Bajan barbecue sauce. Phyllis was my mom, the person who taught me everything I know about cooking, and she's passed. So to allow her legacy to live on, I made the product and named it after her. But people ask me, Wayne, why you say Auntie Phyllis when she was your mom? There are two reasons. One, it gives a nice ring to it, Auntie Phyllis, and the fact that everybody may not have a biological auntie, or I should say they do not have a mom at this time. So when you have an auntie or a person who you love and revere very, very much, who do you refer to in the Caribbean as auntie or uncle? So hence Auntie Phyllis. Everybody used to call her either Aunt Phyllis or Auntie Phyllis. So that was basically a hands down, no-brainer to give it in your Auntie Phyllis. She always told me food has to have flavor. So in 2009, I started to do some fast food favorites. Grilled chicken, pork, pigtails, and that kind of thing. And I realized that every time I go to the supermarket and I buy barbecue sauces, I still gotta come back and enhance those sauces. So I decided, you know what, let me do some research and let me get involved in making my own sauces. Because I love cooking, but I had a dissatisfaction for the flavors I used to find on supermarket shelves. So hence, we then created the barbecue sauces.